Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this countdown timer in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go under titles, and then from here bring a text plus title into our timeline. Now select the text plus title, then go to the inspector tab, and then here we go up to this text box, and then right click inside this text box, and now we can be able to see some new options will show up on our screen. Now here we're going to select the time code. So here we have our hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. From here we can be able to modify font, color, and font size, and now scroll down a little bit to the H anchor, and then lock it to the left, because if our characters are got different in sizes, they will move back and forth, so this will ensure that everything does not move when the timer is in effect. And if we go over to the layout tab, from here we can be able to change the position of the timer. Now here we're going to click on this little fusion icon. Before we move forward in this video, here's the fun fact. This fusion icon indicates that a title or text can be customized using the node-based workflow available on the Fusion page. As a result, more sophisticated animations and effects can be used than just text overlays. And now back to the video. Right now, we're in the Fusion page, and now if go up to the Inspector tab, we can be able to mute or unmute these different parameters independently. And now if we go back to the Edit page, and see in the Viewer monitor, we're going to see only those parameters are active which we have selected in the Fusion page, and adjust the duration by just extending or decreasing the text plus title. After that select text plus title, and then right click, and now we can be able to see some new options will show up on our screen. Now here we're going to select the new compound clip, then hit create. And now to make the reverse timer effect, we're going to select the compound clip and now right click. Now we can be able to see some new options will show up on our screen. Now here we're going to select the change clip speed. From here we're going to select the reverse speed option. Then click change. And now our countdown timer is ready to use. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!